Hey guys, Tony here from TonyTechBytes, and I just got back home from school, and guess what came in the mail? The OnePlus 7T. So just for full disclosure, I am a OnePlus brand ambassador, so they did send out this phone to me, but they didn't pay me to make this video. They didn't even tell me to make an unboxing video, but I just wanted to share what the unboxing experience of the OnePlus 7T would be like. So let's go to the overhead camera and let's check it out. Okay, so let's unbox the package. So I haven't even taken this out yet, but just pull it out of the FedEx package. Oh, throw that to the side. And I really like that OnePlus packs their phones with a bunch of bubble wrap. Like that's actually a little bit excessive right now. Killing the turtles. That's a lot of bubble wrap. Anyways, here's the box. This is the OnePlus 7T. It's a culmination of all their design and engineering efforts, and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. That is cool. Okay, so I'll put all this bubble wrap to the side, and sorry for the glare on the box, but here's what it says. Oh yeah, just built this brand new PC. Time to turn it on. What the hell is this? Activate Windows? Oh, code TTB20 for 20% off. I'm gonna have to buy that right now. Alright, just got this code in the email. Time to activate it. Click next. And it should work right over here. Windows 10 Home is activated with a digital license. If you ever need a Windows 10 activation key or a game code for a cheaper price, do check out Usbc Keys. They feature tons of games at a discounted price and Windows 10 codes, so you don't have to pay an overpriced fee to get rid of that pesky Windows 10 watermark. Remember to use code TTB20 for 20% off your next purchase. Huge thanks to Usbc Keys for sponsoring this segment and supporting a small YouTube channel. This is actually a cool thumbnail. Okay, so this is the OnePlus 7 Pro to the side, but right here is the OnePlus 7T, and I'm just gonna cover up the sensitive information, but this is the frosted silver color. 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. So I guess you just pull this tab at the top. I'm pretty sure you have to use a knife or scissors. I'm just gonna use scissors because why not? I'll bring this to the mic so you can listen to it. Okay, so here's the box. Put the plastic to the side, and let's open it. It's kind of hard to open. That's good. It actually feels really cool. Okay. Documentation. Let's look at this first, really quickly. Stickers. That's cool. Invitation letter. I don't want to open this. I just want to leave it pristine. The manual and all that stuff. Safety information, just the usual, and really cool stickers that you can put on pretty much anything to represent OnePlus if you'd like. So I'll just put this back in and put it to the side. Okay, so here's the OnePlus 7T, and this looks so cool. Holy. What the heck? This is so cool. Oh my god. I already have fingerprints on the plastic. I don't want to open this. Okay, so pretty much all you do is just pull the sticker and all the plastic comes out. But I'll just bring it to the mic so you guys can listen to it. Okay, so here it is, the OnePlus 7T. Feels pretty nice in the hand, and the silver color actually looks pretty good. I would have preferred to get the blue color, but I ran out of them, but this is fine still. It looks pretty good. So for a size comparison with the 7 Pro, they're pretty much identical. One difference is definitely that this does not have rounded edges. So I mean, so that could be a plus if you do prefer not having rounded edges. And there's already a pre-applied plastic screen protector, which is great because if you don't want to spend extra money on a screen protector, you don't really have to. And of course we have the circular camera on the back with 3 cameras. Oh, this is so cool. So I'll just set this to the side on this tray. Here's the case, which is pretty usual for them to include one. What the heck? the SIM card ejection tool somehow got loose, but I'll just put it back in. And here's the plastic case. I really like that they include these cases because they're pretty decent. They're definitely not going to protect your phone from huge drops, but I use it on the OnePlus 7 Pro and just took it off for this video. But you don't really have to pay extra for a case, and I'm glad they include this. If you do want a better case for better protection or just different styles and stuff, they do offer cases on their website, which is also really good. And I've used their carbon fiber case before, and they feel really good, so I'd recommend those cases. So here's the USB-C cable to charge it, and it uses Warp Charge 30T. It uses Warp Charge 30T, which charges slightly faster than Warp Charge 30, and I'm gonna have to test that out. So yeah, this is the OnePlus 7T. I'll be making a couple videos on this, comparing it to the OnePlus 7 Pro, and in terms of camera performance, gaming, and a bunch of other stuff. So if you're excited for that, please subscribe and like this video. Stay tuned for all the new content coming up.